Hi, today we have electric shaver, aka the dry razor, electric razor or simply shaver. And there are two main types or categories, foil or rotary style. Rotary is in which the razor may be powered by small DC motors and it have three circular heads that each have internal spinning cutters. But we have older model or design here, and it is Braun 346, which is electromechanical. The main parts are, as you can see, case with a foil mesh and cutter head. Even today, spare parts for this one can be found. Disassembling the device itself was not complicated. There were no special screws or hidden ones, and the plastic is as expected hard and high quality. On the outside you can see the mains connector, selector for 110 or 220 volts and switch. Inside it uses electromechanical motion, so let's talk a little bit about electro part or solenoid. Basically, solenoid is a type of electromagnet, the purpose of which is to generate controlled magnetic field through a coil that is tightly packed. When electrical current is passed through the coil windings, it behaves like an electromagnet and moves small arm connected to cutter head. For example, in picture you can see when sinusoid is in positive green part, it goes in left direction, and when sinusoid is in negative blue part, it goes in right direction. It also compresses a small spring attached to the end of the arm. The force and speed of the arm movement is determined by the strength of the magnetic flux generated inside the coil. When disassembling, be careful, the spring can be a little bit under load, so use safety equipment. At 60 Hz, it makes around 7200 movements in minute, RPMs, so a lot of heat is present when operation. I have always wondered exactly how older shaver works, and basically that's it, simply but very reliable and effective. Of course, alongside cleaning, lubrication is a key aspect in prolonging the life of your electric shaver and ensuring optimal performance. A little bit goes a long way, and a single drop on each cutting element is enough. The simple design and quality elements used in production of this razor guarantee longevity of this device. I hope you learned something or satisfied your curiosity as I have. Support me by subscribing and expect more videos. See ya at next one.